Realistic rendering under 60 seconds.
Hey everyone, I'm Alizan Nejat and welcome to DD Studio Z.
Today I'm going to show you an incredible AI website that helps you turn a raw render or simple screenshot into a stunning realistic render, all in under 60 seconds with no special skill required. To make sure you don't miss future tutorials, subscribe to the channel right now. I've got a lot of extreme tips and tricks coming your way. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to PromeAI.pro. If you don't have any account, just sign in quickly with your Google account. Step 2. Select your tool. Once you're in, you'll see several AI tools. Choose AI tools, then select sketch rendering. Since we're starting from a simple sense. Step 3. Generate a prompt with ChatGPT. To save time, I use ChatGPT to wear my prompts. I drag and drop my screenshot into the chat. Then I ask for a short optimized prompt. Copy the result and go back to PromeAI. Step 4. Upload the image and adjust the settings. Now drag and drop your screenshot on the site. In my case, it's a TV wall scene. Paste the prompt and let's tweak the settings. Model set to V2. Style, keep it unrealistic. Since I'm using living room. Mode, precise, give the best output. Creativity between 20-25 to maintain the core structure. Add a negative prompt from ChatGPT. Artistic. Set to 0, we don't want artistic style right now. Perspective. Choose from vibe for better depth. Lighting, go with soft natural lighting. Now hit generate and let the AI do its magic. Free version tips, you get 10 free credits. Its render costs only 0.3, so you can try at least 3 times for free. Final result, and that's how you get a realistic render in less than a minute. No unwrapping, no material, no complex rendering step. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how I turned this render into a high quality image using another AI tools, don't forget to subscribe and catch the next video.